Most people get this wrong. They think all store credit cards are restrictive. But the surprising truth is that the BJ's One and One Plus MasterCard from Capital One offer a combination of cashback rewards and flexibility that can actually make them useful beyond just BJ's Wholesale Club purchases. The BJ's One MasterCard is designed for casual shoppers. You earn 1% cashback on all purchases, plus 3% back on BJ's gas and select categories, which is great if you fill up at their stations regularly. The One Plus version ramps this up, offering 5% back on BJ's branded purchases. You won't believe what happens next. These rewards are automatically applied as statement credits, so there's no complicated redemption process. Applying for the card is straightforward, and you don't need perfect credit. Although higher scores improve approval odds, annual fees are low or waived depending on your BJ's membership level, and there's no foreign transaction fee, which is unusual for a store card. However, some downsides exist. Interest rates are higher than traditional credit cards, so carrying a balance can be costly. Also, the rewards are most valuable if you regularly shop at BJ's or gas stations affiliated with the store. If you rarely use BJ's, the card may not offer enough benefit to justify having it. In conclusion, the BJ's One and One Plus MasterCard from Capital One is best for frequent BJ's shoppers who want simple cashback rewards and extra benefits like fuel savings. For casual or infrequent shoppers, other cashback cards might provide better value. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to help you find the best cards for your lifestyle and spending habits.